LOL. Okay. LOL. Okay. Cool. I like this. Oh, I look a little rough. Let me take the glasses off.
Scope that we cut out plus like fast swallow and stuff. It's gonna be in like that kind of bucket.
And having, when you mentioned the ethics, I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm waiting for sure.